Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to dye leather armor in Minecraft. First, select a cauldron in your hotbar and place it on the ground in your game world. Now use a water bucket to fill the cauldron with water. Select the bucket, then tap the cauldron to fill it up. Now pick the dye color you want from your hotbar. For example, if you want a red armor, select red dye. Then tap on the cauldron with the dye color of the water. Now choose the leather armor piece you want to dye from your hotbar. For example, a leather tunic. With the armor selected, tap the cauldron. The leather armor piece will absorb the dye color from the water and changing its color. And that's it. Your now leather armor should be dyed. You can use it in any dye color to customize each piece of leather and armor in Minecraft. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.